Welcome to Forex Trading. Hello friends, in today's video tell you about a very wonderful plan in which you have never heard of such a plan in which you can get a lot of income by investing only a small amount. Then how do you make income from this plan? And how you can make income sitting at home? Forex Trading is the leader in assets management. This company makes news channels strong. Forex Trading knows market very well, when to invest. Forex Trading gives you high security of your investment. This company is on the roll of giving financial freedom to its leader works. Now let's talk about the company's features. Forex Trading Dashboard is a large and a self-service analytics model that helps the leader to understand their panel by properly analyzing the problem-solving dashboard, visualization catalog transform, benefit withdrawal record, reinvestment update provides us data of all these which helps all of us in secure BDC leadership, which is a big deal for every company. Features. If we talk about the features of the company, then the features are as follows. Private. It keeps your payment private so that no one can see your payment transaction. This is a big deal in the world. Secure. Here you are getting a lot of benefits from the company. Here it gives you a network that keeps all your information secure, and you will never face any kind of problem from the company. Global. Here you can transfer your money anywhere in the whole country abroad. Here you are going to benefit a lot. Instant. In this system, you get money very quickly in your bank account. This facility is not in any other company. Here you can take money in any bank account. Low fees. It takes very low fee from you and it deducts work fee from bank and credit card, and it is giving you very special service. Peer-to-peer. It uses a decentralized network. No third party can be involved in it. Join www.forextrading.com. You can join this company by clicking on this link. Now let's talk about the company's business plan. Registration fee here only $20. Here you get 5 types of packages. The first package is $100, in which you get a capping of $100. The second package is $500, in which you get a capping of $500. The third package is $1,000, in which you get a capping of $1,000. The fourth package is $5,000, in which you get a capping of $5,000. The fifth package is $10,000, in which you get a capping of $100. Here you get binary 10%. It is necessary to apply left and right direct referral to get binary income, and also 10% direct referral income. Here you will get growth income from 10% to 15%. You get monthly income. Now let's talk about level income. So here you get income up to 5 levels, which is as follows. In the first level you get 5% income. In the second level, you get 4% income. In the third level, you get 3% income. In the fourth level, you get 2% income. In the fifth level, you get 1% income from here. This income is very good. Now let's talk about how much withdrawal can be done in this company. As soon as you complete $10, you can withdraw anytime. Now let's talk about where is the address of the company. The address of the company is in Auckland, New Zealand, and the company is registered from here. Friends, join Forex Trading Company today and fulfill your dream. Thank you.